Hello, it's Mr. Minecraft here. I'm going to give a nice tutorial on how to set up a Minecraft server. So, first thing you're going to need to know is that there's a lot of people talking about port forwarding and stuff like that. Basically, it just means that to connect to your computer, your router basically is a gate, and there's lots of different ways to go through, but you have to pick which one. So, you're going to need some sort of browser. I prefer Firefox, Google Chrome, but use basically any. So first you're gonna type in your router's or modem's IP address. Now here's the main thing is this IP address can be different. Mine's actually different from a lot, but yours should be, I'll put it in the description. 1 second. Yours should be 192.168.2.1 or .1.1. So I'm gonna put .2.1. I have a Bell router, so if you have Bell, this is it. It is pretty slow. It takes a while to connect. So I guess that's slow internet. Where am I connected to? Oh, that would be the problem. I don't have the right internet. 1 second. Connected to our neighbors. Here we are. Okay. Now we'll go here. And it comes up with this. Now, yours can look a lot different. So, what I have to do is go to application support, or yours might be port forwarding or ports or whatever. And as you can see, I have my computer set up for it. So, view details. I don't need you. So, basically, I have a computer, the Halo, downstairs for services and games, but it has a lot of different ones. But the one you want is Flight Simulator app. Minecraft server. Basically, here, let's see, I'll show you if I can find it. Yeah, you shouldn't have an admin password. So, okay, enable application support. I kind of forget how this works. I haven't done it for a while. You're going to have to go around. So here we are. So select a computer. Mine's Kanoa HP. And it's always pretty slow because it's Dive Minecraft server. Now, add a new user-defined application, or just add it or delete user-defined application. So normally you'd add a new one, but I added this one. This one here, basically I put in the port range that are going to be the exact same. With this one, it's 25565 for beta server, and then leave the rest empty and add definition. It has to be TCP. Now, if you can't seem to find this, you can like Google your router or whatever, but I'll put the IPs for routers on the page. So, major thing, always forget to press done or save. And if you're editing a main internet settings, your computer might disconnect after that, but it's fine. So, once you're done with that, you can go to, what's my IP address, or what's myip.org. There's lots of ones. Port scanners. Now, I actually forgot which port I was using. I don't need you. We have our properties. Where is that? So, I'll show you what all this means in a minute. For now, you just go to custom port test. On the side, you click on port scanners, custom port. Check port. It should say either timed out or blocked right now because we don't have the server running, but let's test it. So, you can read this, don't be an idiot down here. So, this will take a while, so you can open a new tab. Go to minecraft.net. I'm logged in. Go to download and multiplayer beta server. I'd suggest getting, if you're on Windows, the EXE, because launching it without the exe is actually pretty complicated because you have to put in how much RAM you want, and then I don't know why they do no GUI, but yeah. So if someone can put in the thing why when you launch the jar, it's no GUI, that'd be good. So this here, it's pretty simple. You download this one, and then copy drag the folder it is into your terminal or command prompt, and then paste that. But could show you that later. So save file, and we'll go in your downloads, whatever type of downloads you move. Now I'm just gonna remove it because I don't need it. So you can close this. So it timed out. That's good. It means it's not blocked. It just means there's nothing here. So your home screen, what you're gonna want to do is, I put a little icon on my folder, but you're gonna want to go new folder and call it Minecraft server, or anything you like, or maybe just server. Oops, nope. I'm just gonna call this new. I'll just put that down here. Go to where you downloaded it. We have the server. You just gonna want copy, cut. I put into Minecraft server. So now that it's in here, what you're gonna want to do is open it up and let it open up. The first startup will take a while. It's because, give it a minute. So it says warning, failed to load. That's very important. Now you have all the other files with it. So I have not set this one up, so I'm just gonna stop it. Oh, it doesn't want to stop until it finishes spawn area. Right. Yes. And if you are really actually running low on your server, you have to start it manually with the jar. So you have this. Let it first start up and then type stop. You're going to want to go to this property files. Now, I'm just going to do something. I have it set to open with Notepad++, but you probably won't have this, so it'll come up with select an application. Just open it with Notepad. And you have this. I can't really make it bigger, but level name world, so you can actually paste your single player levels there. Hell world, so nether, spawn monsters true, online mode, definitely you want that true. Spawn animals, some people don't like that. Max players. My computer, if I'm playing, because I have a laptop, I normally put that at 4. Server IP, you want to put, I don't know if you need to. In PvP, level seed, you can put that like, I think it's the 404 world. It's a really cool one, but you don't need it. Server port. Now, this is the port we tested, right? Then allow flight, false, and whitelist, false. Now, whitelist is something I will explain in another tutorial. Get advanced with that stuff. Yes, I want to save that. So, now that we have that ready, our world right now is made. It wasn't made before. So, we're going to open up Minecraft server. It's going to be a little bit quicker this time. Prepare and spawn region 40, and then quick. If you see it says start Minecraft server on that little thing there, means it doesn't actually know. So we can check the port again, and it's open. That was nice and quick because Minecraft's open. That's just from the port, and basically that's it. So what you're gonna want to do though is go to whatsmyip.com or whatsmyip.org again, and you're going to want to open Notepad or open your email or Facebook message or whatever to whatever people. Now I'll go, oops, I only need one of these. You're going to want to copy this, open Notepad and paste it, and then you put a colon and go, where is that? Right here. It's 25565. So 25565, and just for anyone connecting, if they're outside, if they're connected to the same internet as you, they're gonna have to connect to your local IP. That I can explain a tutorial and get in it later, but they're gonna have to connect to your local IP. But if you want to play, if they're on the outside network, they just connect to this one. So you can search how to get your local IP on Google or whatever. It's not very complicated. So start at Minecraft. It's starting for me. I don't need this though. Don't save. So you can see it says lost connection because that was the port scanner. So don't forget to opt yourself. So opt. I'll show you how to do this in game. Log in with your account. You need an account. You can't have you have to have online working. Oh, oops. Disconnect mods and textures default. You'll see here that before this one there is no admin or people that opted. So you have to opt yourself at least. So I'm 12323OP. I opt in. It says opt in it, and we're done. Now we go to multiplayer, LOCAL host, no space, localhost. Just logging in. Now if you look, download in terrain. Actually escape and go look, and it will tell us. Okay, it's just going really slow. I have Fraps running and a server, but I logged in, and since I have opt-in privileges, back to game, I can play with other people. Now remember, it's useful to have a server on a different computer than you actually want to play on. If you have two computers, put the server on the fast one. So you can see how slow this is going, and this is with not the highest graphics settings either. So you can play like normal if you set the settings a certain way. So now I don't know about portals and stuff, but I'm pretty sure fishing rods don't work. But this is all up to you. So you have a server running. Now it's nice to get someone outside to test it. Sometimes these things take a minute to collect, so you can just build your stuff. It's pretty simple. It's the port forwarding part that fools most people. I got stuck because my IP was the 192.168.2 instead of .1. So I should probably not be playing this right now. But basically, you can type T and you can type hi, or and that says it. But if you put a / before it, you can opt other people. You could opt one of my friends. I can opt him, but always that / and it will say opt in. Now, if you look over here, it also says it issued the server command. Now, you don't need the / here. This is not for chat. So you can also, since you can kind of cheat, but you can type T give 2323OP some 45. That you have to look up the numbers for thing, and I'm gonna give myself 20 of those. So I know 45 is brick, so now I have 20 bricks. Go up high. So watermelon kamikaze. So see how long it took a minute there. So you can see when you respawn, you can kind of see underground and stuff. So, and if you go look here, you'll see it lost connection. Disconnect.quitting means they disconnected. So that's my tutorial. When you don't just close this, just type in stop when you're done, and it will finish it. Now I don't need this. I have my other server right here, and again, it's just the same thing. And for the icons, I could do another tutorial on that later. But that's my tutorial on setting up a Minecraft server. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, stuff like that.